Welcome back to Foxtecc. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add an object to a photo on your iPhone. Whether you want to add something simple like a shape or text, or go a little further and layer images on top of each other, I'll walk you through every step. This can be useful for personalizing your pictures or creating something more creative and eye-catching. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, let's talk about adding simple objects like shapes or text. Start by opening the Photos app and selecting the photo you'd like to edit. Tap Edit in the top right corner of the screen, then look for the Markup tool. To find it, tap the three dots icon for more options, then select Markup. Once you're in Markup, you'll notice a plus sign in the corner. Tap that. From here, you can add text, basic shapes, or even your own signature. For instance, you can choose text to add any word you want, shapes to add circles, rectangles, or arrows, and if you need to sign something or add a custom mark, you can go for signature. Adjust the size or position of these elements by dragging them around on the screen, using the blue dots for fine-tuning. Now, if you're looking to get a little more advanced and add a completely separate image or sticker on top of your existing photo, it's possible, but you'll need a third-party app. Apps like Canva, PixArt, or Photoshop Express are great for this because they come with tons of options for stickers, graphics, and more advanced editing tools. Just load your photo into one of these apps, add the new image or sticker you want, then adjust and position it to your liking. Once you're happy with how everything looks, just tap Done to save your changes back to your iPhone. And that's it. Adding objects to your photos on an iPhone can be as simple or as creative as you want it to be. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you later.